No.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me it. Read it to me.
A, enter at working trot. C, track right. B to K, change the rein, working trot. A, circle left, 20 meters diameter, working trot. Between A and F, walk 3 to 5 strides. Proceed in working trot. B, turn left. E, track right, working trot. H to B, working trot. Between F and A, working canter right. E to B, half circle right, 20 meters diameter. Between B and F, working trot. A, medium walk.
I just passed A.
Sorry.
That's okay. Let me go back and do it. Go ahead. Say it again.
A, medium walk. And K to B, change rein, free walk on a long rein. B, medium walk. M, working trot around the arena to K. Between K and A, working canter left. A, F, B, working canter left. B to E, half circle left, 20 meters diameter, working canter. Between E and K, working trot. And then A, down center line, working trot. X, halt, salute, immobility. Leave the arena, free walk on a long rein.
I'll get marked down for that, but I said that was it. If we didn't have them all